Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic lab reading for the month of September forecast reading. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. Aries, what are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? And we are having here Devil, wow, Hermit, Seven of Cups, and the Tower. What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Two of Wands, Temperance, Nine of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies, Aries? The World, Seven of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate you to your person. Capricorn with this Devil card, Virgo with this Hermit, Sagittarius with this Temperance, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Two of Wands, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Seven of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Nine of Swords. Okay, Aries, with this Devil card, your person is totally obsessed over you, and they are just like, they feel some kind of pull towards you. They are totally, they feel like that they totally engage your cage in your, possession, and this possession making them obsessed over you. And they are really, in this situation where they are just, can't figure it out how to free themselves from you. They are in your, in your possession, their mind, their soul, and they are totally confused about that, how to, get freedom from you, and they are getting obsessed over you, and they feel that pull towards you. You are like, a magic for them. You are like a black magic, and they are just keep drowning into you, a black hole that totally, a lot of choices in front of them, and they don't know what should they choose. They really don't. It's not like that they want to get rid of you, but it's not like that. They just, uh, let themselves to drown into you. That kind of confusion they are right now. This is really freaking for them, and they are totally freaking out, and to control this, freaking feelings, they are just turning their back from you, the way you turn your back from them. And they just, you turn your back from this person, and they turn your back in the result, because they want to, in their solitude, in their loneliness, they want to figure it out what's actually happening with them. What should they do? What should they choose? And this person is in shock. As I told you, this person is totally freaking out. They are in shock. There is, some kind of realization. They find out a truth, and this truth is seriously, giving them this hard time, and they are totally falling apart. They just like feel like that everything is slipping from their hands. Everything, they are losing it. They are losing control over you. They are losing control on themselves. They don't have even control on themselves. And this person just paying attention to how to, deal with this, your possess, the way you possess them, how to deal with that, how to break this cage. And a lot of choices in front of this person, and you are planning and making some kind of plan about your life, and you are analyzing this situation. Frictions there, sometimes you feel like that just be with this person, but whenever you think like that I should be with this person, you just, trap into a lot of anxieties, and you just like it's a living, you are living in a nightmare. But when you think about I should choose someone else, I should do something else, you just feel again some kind of, this anxieties and depression. It's not that easy to find someone and fall in love again, and, again give you another, years of your life to this relationship. We can't figure out a person, how a person, you know it's take time, you have to invest your years to find out a person, how the person is. So finding love, finding new love is not that easy. And then the dating and the compromises, and again it start a new series of the season, another season of the your love story. It's not that easy for you, so it's give you again some kind of anxieties. And you right now you think I should, this is what you want, and this is you are doing, right now you are just finding peace and balance in your life, balancing your life, and you are just taking care of yourself right now. For now, this is a good thing to do. This is a best strategy, best plan, just to take care of yourself, paying attention on yourself, finding peace in your life, trying to cope up with every area of your life. And being with this person giving you anxieties and nightmare. Finding someone else is also giving you anxieties. It's not that easy. And with this word card, something is complete between you two, something, a cycle is ended in between you two. You are secure, you are in your joy, and waiting for something. This person is waiting for you, you are waiting for something. 100% give you 100% this relationship, but you don't get what you want. So you are waiting for something, and this person, something is complete with this person, and this person is engaged of your memories of your you. Right now they are totally obsessed over you, and you possess this person somehow. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. And we are having here Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Judgment. This person is totally, your person is totally losing their balance in order to maintain their balance, because this shock is not that simple one. This is a big shock for them, and that's why they're totally losing their balance. And there is a new project in front of you, and something is new, all over new. You're thinking about something new. You want to do something about your job, about your love life, as finding peace as well. This is a new project for you, and there is maybe some kind of rebirth in this relationship. Maybe you guys again upon another chapter, another round. There is chances there. Maybe maybe after this person takes some time, you take some time, you again open start a new chapter between you two. Let's see for more information. Let's collect for more information about your relationship with this person, recent future. Knight of Cups, Hierophant, and Nine of Swords. This person is trying to uh, make peace with you, as I told you, because it's really hard to live in this situation when you are not this person. Like, you are not mine, but I am totally possessed by you. This is this person's current status. So this person trying to be polite with you, trying to more flirtatious with you, saying sweet things to you. They are just offering you, they are developing emotions, they are just offering you their the side that version you fall in love with, this that version they are showing you that. And with this Hierophant, commitment, you only want, you are not looking for short term things. You're looking for commitment, you're looking for marriage, you looking for long term relationship, long haul. And somehow upcoming days in future, you are again in thinking about the worst possibilities. This give you anxieties and depression right now. You are thinking too much about the bad things, negative energies, and these thoughts jumping overhead. It's not going to end well, that kind of feelings and that kind of thoughts in your head for this person. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. You are protected from all type of harm. The worst is now behind you. I ask you to relax and feel safe. Amazing. The worst is behind. You need to feel safe and relax. Let's see what advice messages. Believe in destiny. Share your feelings with your friends. Pray to the God for peace in your life. Seek for forgiveness. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is This person is engaged, they're possessed by you, and they are just thinking about that, how to, get their freedom from your thoughts and from your memories. And they realize something, and this realization is a big shock for them, and they are just sudden because of you and your behavior, and they are trying to find a solution, they are trying to find peace. You are finding peace, you are finding balance. When you think about this person, you totally lost in, anxieties and depression. And you right now you are finding peace, and towards this person in upcoming recent future, you only, say yes to this person if this person commit with you, try to understand you. But as you are not trusting this person at all. That's why a lot of anxieties and depression in you in upcoming days. These are some of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.